Satin midi skirt is the best choice to keep in the capsule wardrobe. We can style on many occasions like a casual outfit, formal wear, office wear or the party outfit. It's a go-to outfit. In today's video, I will be more focusing on the summer to fall transitional outfits. For your reference, this skirt I purchased recently because of I am petite, 4 feet 11 inches. This goes till my ankles. The fabric is very soft, smoothing and subtle in shine. In the website it says silver in color, but in the person this is not looks like silver. It is completely looks like a dusty blush color. Let me know in the comment which color you feel. It is a very good quality, worth for the price range. I bought this skirt from Mango and I got it in a very good discount. Outfit number 1 is the formal outfit for the office. I'm styling with the off-white shirt which has a gorgeous detailing. I love the pleated detailing on the shirt. Love the balloon sleeves. This outfit color slightly merged together like dusty blush color skirt and the off-white shirt. Colors are merging together very well. I will suggest if you have any of the white shirt, you can try on this type of skirt and carry a brown accessories like a brown tote bag. It's an office bag and the brown leather boots. Trust me, you will get more compliments of this combination. Or else you can style like a monochrome look. You can add the tan color accessories and it gives you a complete monochrome look. It will works and you will look taller at the same time. If you like, you can style with the brown belt. That will definitely looks feminine. I forgot the belt over here. I felt boots is the great choice for the summer to the fall transitional outfit. Looks more fashionable and stylish. Next outfit I styled with the dusty purplish color crochet work sweater top. I love the color of this top, love the crew neckline. I layered the 2 single liner with this sweater. I felt with the crew neckline, single liners looks more elegant. This sweater is very old collection from my wardrobe. I guess I purchased from years ago from Ross. It's a perfect staple piece for the winters, not for the extreme winters. For the fall, it will be the great choice. And it looks very chic and stylish. I styled with the black boots and the black leather shoulder bag. This is the great combination for the fall outfit. This outfit we can style with the office as well as for the casual wear. Next outfit I styled with the black cardigan which has a gorgeous crochet work all over the body. Look at the sleeves. It has a bale pattern, looks very chic and fashionable. I personally love this cardigan a lot. I wanted to say this type of cardigan you must have in the wardrobe. The best piece to style in the fall or the spring, as well as we can style in the winters if there is not to be too cold. I style with the black pointed toe heels. That will be the perfect match. We can style with the small tan bag. It's a crossbody bag and it will look good with this outfit. We can style this outfit for many occasions like a dinner parties or the office lunch parties. This will be the best choice. Next outfit I styled with a black button-down shirt. It's a basic black shirt with the pocket on the front. It is in the linen fabric which is very comfortable to wear. I personally love to wear linen. In the summers, it's the best choice, but I felt every season feels very good and very comfortable. I like to add a contrast color accessories like a tan handbag to match with my skirt and the black boots to match my shirt color. I felt with this outfit looks elegant. We can style this outfit for the office wear, formal outfit, and I personally love the simplicity of this look. Last but not the least outfit. This outfit I style as a party outfit for the occasions with the black halter neck top. This top is so gorgeous. Love the detailing on this top. It is a deep V neckline from the front and look at the flower on the neck. Looks very pretty. Right? Look at the back. Back looks very smart. I style with the minimal jewelry to look very fashionable and feels luxury with the less price. I bought this halter neck top from the Mango and I will get a very good deal with this. Love this top. The fabric of this top is a chiffon material. It's a transparent fabric, but I wore the black bralette. I don't feel it is anything showing off. By the way, this is a very comfortable fabric. This is the best choice for the parties or the guest outfit. On the top of it, I style with the black sandals, black high heels and the pearl clutch, which is the best choice for the parties. With this pearl clutch, I felt the outfit will be complete for the parties. The satin skirt is the best choice to keep in the capsule wardrobe. We can style on many occasions and it is a go-to luxury outfit. You will get a luxury look in a less price. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. Hope this video will helpful to you and bye guys.